yan, mamo? Lazada?
Ba't ganun? Whole halo. Anak ng tete mo.
Okay, di ba nag-judgmental ka? Uy, ang ganda ng packaging ah. Social ah. Ano yan? Ayan.
Electric fan. Nalagay ko sa kusina.
Hallelujah. Kala ko kala ko nabilang mo na electric fan si ano eh. Family green. Kala ko nabilang mo na electric fan si Kwan eh. Si Sport. Kailan binili yan? Ako na lang yung ano. Oh, wow. Kaya lang malaki to. Hindi siguro gusto. Okay. Akala ko rechargeable. Hindi naman nakakasunog yan, no? Hindi naman masusunog yan, no?
Bubuhay lang yun pag kami nagluluto doon. Papatayin rin.
Okay. May solar na ganyan na.
Oh, improv. What are you, middle fucking street? Okay, improv the note.
Where's
Sexually frustrated, degenerate losers mean business. Don't.
Ay, hindi siya dito naman.
Don't give me a fucking pen. Read.
Dad been kidnapped. Send 1 million on Dad.
Perfect. Hey, yo. Tell him not to play. Here go the scenario. So Chantel is cool. Take homebrew, put a storage at your place.
Why my place?
Of course.
Cause why?
Of course. Because that's the best plan right now. You don't just do that, Steve. No?
Hindi malakas na.
We want me to drive that shit too? I got the limo, I got the girl, all kind of shit. What's your name, kid? Look.
Testingin mo.
I gotta get a little jerk. Alright? So, drive. Yes, I can fucking drive.
Hi, honey. Look at you.
Hiya, Dad.
Mhm.
So how was your train ride down?
The train ride was fine. I kept right over it. With
Lakas na.
this Turkish idiot who barely spoke one
Oh,
word.
lakas ah. Nakakatakot yan pag lumipad.
Next door's house.
Pag lumipad yung ano niya.
Does he stop cursing at us?
I need a drink.
Ang lakas ah. Oh, lakas oh. Oh. Very. Diyos ko.
Yeah.
Ang lakas niya.
Criticizing you or anything like that, okay?
Okay na. Isang ano lang siya, set up. Walang yung malakas, mahina, walang ganon. Open nam lang. Okay. Ano yan? Anong ano? Magkano bili mo?
Dress my age. I'll have you know that Norton and I dress exactly the way we feel. Come on, look at your father over there. He's a
Yan.
regular
Okay.
sex
Okay na?
No.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.